On this episode, we continue our European cruise with a stop in Le Havre, France, where we rent a car and drive to Normandy. We visit Omaha Beach and tour the museum and memorials. Then it's off to the Ranger Memorial at Pointe, where we see all of the old World War II battlements and damage. Then it's a bonus stop, the city of Bayeux, where we tour a medieval, beautiful church. We hope you enjoy the video.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan. And we are the Half-Ass Travelers. Good morning. It's a bright, well, not so bright
day.
Yeah, it's brisk. It is brisk out here. It's mid-October. We're in Le Havre, France.
Yep.
We just got off the ship. It's very early. It's like 8 o'clock, and we are heading over to the rental car place to get a rental car. And our plan is to drive down to Normandy Beach, one of the, one or many of the D-Day beaches. That's our plan. We'll see if that works out. As you know, with us, anything's possible. So we just keep our fingers crossed and we go with the flow, right, babe?
That's right.
All right. Oh, it's freezing out here. All right. We'll see you guys. Hey, half-asters. We're coming to you from Omaha Beach. This is the Omaha Beach Memorial Museum. As you can see behind us, that's a Sherman tank. We're going down to the beach to take a look around to get some kind of idea of the scope and scale of the invasion. Inside the museum, there's a movie and there's a whole bunch of artifacts and stuff. So we can't wait to see that stuff. We'll share with you what we can, and enjoy.
We'll see you later.
Hey there.
Hey.
We are at Pointe du Hoc, and this is at top the cliffs just to the west of Omaha Beach. The guns that used to be in these bunkers would have been raining fire down on all the troops trying to land on the D-Day landing beaches, and the U.S. Ranger battalions, their job was to scale these cliffs with grappling hooks and come up here and silence these guns, and a lot of them died doing it. You can still see the ground is littered with craters, from the bombs that failed to neutralize the guns. It took those brave troops to come up those cliffs to knock those guns out. It's really breathtaking to come here, and it's very humbling. Thank you to all you who gave so much to give us our freedom. We're going to continue to walk. Well, guys, we're back at the ship.
Yep.
We did a little exploring after we left Pointe, and we found a neat little town called
Bayeux?
Bayeux.
Yes. We found a beautiful church. We went and had some delicious crepes at this little tiny shop on the side of the road. So it was a really great time.
Yes, and it was a great day in Le Havre. We had a good time. The car was no problem. We caught an Uber back, and now we're getting back on the ship. So it's time to say
Au revoir.
au revoir.
I did it.
You did it. Congratulations.
Bye-bye.
Until next time.